Watch me detangle this badly mated hair and transform it to this. Hello lovers of bouquet fashion, welcome to my page. You are going to need your white tooth comb, your spray bottle and your conditioner. So guys, if you're new to my page, please like and subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notifications so you're going to be alerted when I post new tutorials. I post amazing tutorials that you can try out at home. No gatekeeping over here, sis. So guys, we're going to be detangling this badly mated hair. So on normal occasion, you just need your detangling spray, but I didn't have a detangling spray at home, so I had to make use of what was available. So the next option is using your conditioner. You can use a conditioner and some water. So I use a Mega Leaf and Mega Growth conditioner and water. So I'm going to section my hair and I'm going to begin the detangling process. So I tried my best to be gentle with this hair, but you know, I had to get the work done. So patience is key. You can't rush this. If not, you're going to lose a whole lot of hair from this week. So yeah. So after sectioning your hair, you're going to spray your conditioner and your water to the sectioned hair. You're just going to massage it throughout the hair so you can get the products into the hair, because this is going to break down the hair and make it soft and easy to work with. So I just begin detangling with my fingers, just trying to work my way through the hair. So basically, you can just literally repeat what you've seen me doing. Like I said, the key is patience. You have to be very patient when detangling your hair. So yeah. So it's a tedious process, but of course it's worth it. So I'm just going to keep working my way throughout the hair, detangling it in my fingers first. So I'm going to get in more of the product because I noticed section of the hair was still dry and making it more difficult. So if you're working with dry hair, you're going to notice that you're going to have more breakage because it makes it really difficult to detangle the hair. But when your products are in your hair, it makes the hair soft and less difficult, not easy, but less difficult to work with. And you put lesser tension on the hair, which this greatly prevents hair loss and breakage, thus preserving your wig's volume and length and everything. So after detangling with my hands, I'm going to take in my white tooth comb and I'm going to brush from down towards the roots of my hair, as you can see. So I'm going to brush and work my way towards the roots of the hair. So like I said, it's a tedious process. Patience is key. So just keep working your way. So finally we are almost there. So if you notice any hard knots, just get your latte comb. You can use the tip of your latte comb to just get rid of it. So yeah, after an eternity, we are done with this section. One down, 99 more to go. So that's what I lost from that section. And here's my progress so far. We are getting there. The ministry is moving. So yeah, this was really time consuming. So here's our wig. More than 90% done. So I was done with the body of the wig and the back of the wig, which is most likely the parts that get matted. So we are moving to the frontal of the wig. So you're just going to basically repeat the same process. I'm going to apply my products to my hair. Spray, spray, spray. Get every inch, so you don't work with dry hair and minimize breakage. Then we are going to massage into the hair. And we are going to section and start combing from down towards the roots of the hair. So you have to be more gentle with the frontal, since we are working with lace, which can easily rip, and we can easily have hair loss from the ventilated frontal as well. So yeah, be patient, be gentle, and comb your way through. So the frontal is less likely to get so matted like the back of the hair, but nevertheless it's still matted, so we have to detangle it. So you just repeat what I'm doing if you're following this tutorial at home. So here's what to do if you come across stubborn knots. You use your latte comb and you detangle them. Then you go back with your white tooth comb and you comb through. So yeah. So now that I've gotten rid of that, we can continue combing through the hair. So guys, this was a bouncy wig, but due to the level of meat, the coils could not be saved. However, I'm going to post a part 2 of this video so you can see how I restore this wig back to a bouncy wig. So here's what it's looking like after detangling. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, turn on your notifications so you see the part 2 of bringing back this wig to a bouncy wig. Make sure you recommend this video, you share this video. Thanks.